y is inversely proportional to the square of x. Y is equal to 4 when x is 4. We want to find a formula connecting x and y. Given that y is inversely proportional to the square of x, we can write that y must be equal to some constant divided by x squared. We now have that y is 4 when x is 4. Substituting in, we get 4 is equal to k over 16. Multiplying both sides by 16 gives us that k is equal to 64. Substitute back into the top, and we get y is 64 over x squared. We now want to find y when x is equal to 2. Substituting in, y is equal to 64 over 2 squared, giving us 64 divided by 4, which is 16. Finally, we want to find x when y is equal to 1. Substituting in, 1 is 64 divided by x squared. Multiplying both sides by x squared gives x squared is 64. It follows that x is going to be plus or minus 8. Note that 8 times 8 is 64, and minus 8 times minus 8 is also 64. So both plus and minus 8 are possible values for x.